the last instalment of Budget Build Skyline, the restrictive factory exhaust was upgraded to a full 3-inch system to improve flow and gain power. This time, we're doing the same to the factory side-mounted intercooler with some help from our friends at HDI. HDI offers complete front-mount intercooler kits for most major import performance vehicles. Before beginning installation, we ran the Skyline on the C&V Performance dyno so we could accurately measure what gains the front-mount intercooler would provide over the standard one. Back-to-back runs saw peak power at 156.8 rear-wheel kilowatts, right on par for its current mods. Open the box and you'll find everything you need for an easy DIY install. Installation couldn't be simpler as HDI offers guaranteed fitment for all piping and silicon joints. The Hybrid GT kit is a lightweight and efficient intercooler. The core itself is very intelligent design. With huge 10mm high pressure extruded tubing, this means better heat transfer, robust strength, and of course, it's a lot less restrictive. Now time to get the Sky back on the rollers to test out the HDI intercooler kit. A quantified gain of 17 kilowatts at the wheels, a more than noticeable difference and much smoother mid-range boost pickup, and the bang for your buck is unbeatable. So far from our budget, we've used up nearly $3,000, but we've seen a gain of just over 40 kilowatts at the wheels. Next time, we'll be tackling the factory ECU in the conclusion of Budget Build 33.